Did you know one of Egypt's most famous pharaohs may have faked a divine dream to steal the throne? Prince Thutmose IV wasn't supposed to rule Egypt. He was just a younger son with no real claim to power around 1400 years before Christ. But then something amazing happened during a hunting trip. Thutmose fell asleep right between the giant sphinx's paws. He claimed the ancient monument spoke to him in a dream, promising him the throne if he cleared away all the sand burying it. So that's exactly what he did. He cleaned up the Sphinx and carved his story into a granite tablet that you can still see today between its paws. But here's the twist. Modern archaeologists think Thutmose made the whole thing up. The dream was probably just clever propaganda to justify taking power from his older brothers. His tablet reveals the Sphinx was already over 1,000 years old when he found it, buried and forgotten in the desert sand. It even describes the monument's original bright colors that had long since faded away. Sometimes the greatest con artists become the greatest kings,